Hello all, welcome to my channel Career Cooter. In this video, I'm going to talk about the round 1 of Wipro Elite Exclusive Hiring, that is the online assessment. It is one of the most essential elimination round in Wipro Elite hiring process. I'm going to cover the test pattern and the syllabus of this round, and I'm also going to share my experience on how I cleared this round and move forward in my interview process. If you didn't watch my previous video on Wipro Elite exclusive hiring, do watch it and come back. Now, without any delay, let's get into the video. Now, let us see the detailed pattern of this test. We'll be having 4 sections in this test. Now, let's see the first test section. The first section will be of the aptitude test. Here, you'll be given 3 sections, which is English, Analytical Reasoning, and Quantitative Aptitude. And this section will consist of 40 minutes, and the number of questions will be 40 questions, and there is no negative markings. And in the English test, you will be having like grammar, fill in the blanks, idioms, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, and so on. And the analytical reasoning like bar graph and non-verbal reasoning, all those stuffs will be asked in the analytical reasoning. And in the quantitative aptitude, as you already know, that time, speed, simple and compound interest, train based sums, work and wages, all those stuffs will be come under this quantitative aptitude. And this is the first section of questions. And in the second section, which is a technical knowledge, and in this section you'll be given the MCQ questions, and it is of 15 minutes and 15 questions. And in this round also there is no negative marking, and the MCQ questions will be based on your pseudocode, flowchart, cloud computing, networks and protocols. Apart from this, the coding based output, find the output of the program in C, Java, or Python. Anything can be asked in this test too. In this round, section two of online assessment. In the third section, it is of coding question, and there will be two coding questions that you have to complete in 20 minutes, and there is no negative marking in this also. And there is a compiler for it, and a question will be there, and there will be some test cases you have to you'll be having two sample test cases with open access, but there will also be some hidden test cases. Only you will not be graded based on your sample test case, you'll be graded only based on your hidden test cases as well. So be cautious, uh, read the question thoroughly and understand the logic and proceed with your what to say solutions. And it is very it is actually only 20 minutes will be there, so you have to be so fast. You should not stuck on with one question. So if you're not getting one question, let's move on to next question, and it will be navigatable only, so you can navigate from one question to another within the section, not outside the section. Within the section only you can navigate as well. And then the languages will be like Java, C sharp, or JavaScript, Python, any language you can choose. And if you're just proceeding to solve in one language, like if you're just solving a question in Java, and if you're not getting some solution, so if you want to switch to C, then the code that you have typed in Java will be completely deleted, and only you can switch to this C. So be careful while doing your coding section. Now let's move to the last section, that is written English test. In this in this round, this is the last round, and you'll be given 20 minutes and one question, which will be based on a real life scenario or technical based anything. They'll be giving a real life scenario or a specific topic. You have to write some 400 words or 450 words in 20 minutes, and without any errors. Grammatical, that includes some grammatical errors, like your punctuations, your pronunciation, everything, that your grammar thing they will be checking that, and your typing speed will also matters here. And there's no negative marking. And there's a note section here. You have to be cautious that all the tests are linked, will appear one after the other. As I've already mentioned, all the tests will be linked. So if you complete one section only, you'll be allowed to move forward to the next section. So all tests are mandatory. Hence, please appear for all four tests one by one. And this is the test pattern of Wipro Elite exclusive hiring. If you find this video to be useful, do share it with your friends, colleagues, and relatives who are preparing for Wipro. And thanks for watching my channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.